Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ADPT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of price action, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out, in this question, a very logical question, quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a great bounce. There's no doubt about that. From where the price was at its low points to where it ultimately closed right there, everyone would agree, yeah, today was a good, solid bounce. But that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? Or in other words, just a fake move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point, and that area is right here at the $1.10 mark. Why is $1.10 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, bounces that are actually bounces are going to, well, keep on bouncing, right? The price is going to make progress forward. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement that's truly powerful is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.10. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's literally putting the price right back to within this range where it was when it was flirting with, down here around the lows of the day. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back, bounces around on top of that, that range, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you picture each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what you want to see. You want to see progress forward. Bounces are going to make progress, and in this situation, I'm just quantifying and defining progress as $1.10. Now, what about areas of resistance? In my mind, it's all about the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. I realize that line's kind of way up there, but keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move its way downwards and get closer and closer to the price. So if this price movement does indeed continue to bounce, key battleground is definitely going to be that purple line there. But in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not a huge priority right now. Top priority for the chart is just continuing to build higher bases, because with higher bases, the longer-term chart will take care of itself. So we'll see how this one unfolds tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.